Hey guys, it's math time. Okay, you're going to watch the same video on Monday and then you're going to watch it again on Tuesday because both Monday and Tuesday we're going to be reviewing three-digit addition. Okay, this is something we've done a million times, so it's going to be super easy. Not a problem, not even worried about it. So what we're going to do is do the first two problems together on your math worksheet. So go ahead and make sure you have your math packet available before you get started on this video. Make sure you've got it. If you need to push pause, just do it. Just push pause, get the packet, find the math sheet. And today for Monday, we're just going to do the first 6 problems because the last 6 problems are going to be Tuesday's assignment. So we're just doing the top half of the page today. We're going to do the first one, the second one. We're going to pause. I'm going to let you do the third one on your own, and we're going to get back together and recheck it. And then you're going to do 3 more problems. Tomorrow, you'll rewatch this same video, and then you will complete the other 6 problems. And then just leave it in your packet. We'll turn it in when it's time. All right, let's get started on problem number 1. It says 996 plus 978. Notice that's what I have written up here, 996 plus 978. So I am going to take my little marker. I'm going to try to pull this a little closer. And remember, when we're doing 3-digit addition, it's very important that we always start at the far right. Okay, we're going to start in this case in the ones place. After we add the ones, then we'll add the tens. After we add the tens, then we'll simply go over here and add the hundreds. So let's start together in the ones place. So I'm thinking about 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. Well, if I doubled 6, I know 6 and 6 is 12. And 8 is just 2 more than 6, so I can add on 2 more. So 6 plus 8, that's right, is 14. Now remember, I can't put 2 digits right here. I can't put 14 right here. I have to do what we call regrouping. What do you know about regrouping? Anytime we have at least how many do we have to regroup? That's right. Anytime we have at least 10, then we're going to regroup. We're going to take it over to the next column. So if I know that 6 plus 8 is 14, that's more than 10. I have to regroup. I'm going to take that one group of 10 over here to the tens column. And I'm going to do that by writing that up top. And I'm going to leave the 4 ones here in the ones column. Now remember, that still says 14. That's 1 10 and 4 ones. It has the same value. It just doesn't look like 14 anymore, but it still has the same value as 14. Now I'm adding in the tens column where I have 1 that I just moved over, 9, and I have 7. Of course, you know me, I like to put that 1 and 9 together because that's a nice group of 10. And 10's easy to add on to. 10 and 7 makes 17. Now that's 17 tens, which means it's really, if I had 17 tens, it's really 170. I'm going to move that 1 over to the hundreds column, and I'm going to leave those 7 tens. That still says 17 tens. I just moved that one group of 10 over. I regrouped and then left the 7 tens there. Now I can add in the hundreds column where I have 1 plus 9 plus 9. Now I could do 1 plus 9 is 10, or I know my doubles fact, so I could do 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 1 more makes 19. That's 19 hundreds. So what it really means is that's 1,900. And when I put them all together, that's 1,974. Great. Let's do another practice problem, and then I'll let you work on your own. So here we go. We're going to start where? Of course, we're going to start in the ones place. In the ones place, I have 6 plus 8 again. 6 plus 8, we said earlier, is 14. This time, you know what my brain was thinking? I was doing a little give and take. So I thought, well, if I give one of these to the 6, then that would make 7, and this would be 7. And I know that together, 7 and 7 is 14. That's just another strategy. It's a give and take strategy. 14. That's really 110, 4 ones. Okay, now I'm going to add in the tens place where I have 1 10, and I have 9 tens, and I have 6 tens. So me, I like those tens. I know 1 and 9 is 10, plus 6 more. That's 16 tens. And if I think about that in real terms, I'm thinking 16 tens. That's 100 6 tens. So I'm going to move that 100 over, and I'm going to leave those 6 tens here. That still says 16 tens. It just looks a little different than the normal way we write 16, but it still has the same value. Now I'm going to add in the hundreds place. I have 1, I have 8, and I have 9. 1 and 8 makes 9, and I can double my 9. 9 and 9 makes 18, but we're talking about 1800s, which is really 1,800. Will you read that number with me? 1,864. I might even say the sum is 1,864, because I know that the sum is the answer to an addition problem. Now I want you to push pause, and I want you to solve this next one. All right, here we go. Starting in the ones place. 5 plus 8. That's right, that's 13. That's 110, 3 ones. I regrouped it to the tens column. 9 doubled is 18, plus 1 more is 19 tens. That's really 100 9 tens. It still says 19, it just says it in a different way. And now I add in the hundreds. 1 plus 7 plus 9, it doesn't matter which order I add them in, so I can go 1 and 9 is 10, and 7 more, that's 17, which is 17 hundreds. That's 1,700. Would you please read the sum with me? All together, let's read. 1,793. Please complete the next 3 on your own. Tomorrow, rewatch the same video and complete the last 6 on your own. Thanks, guys, for playing, and always do your flashcards. You could always, if you have cards at home, you could make a 10. I included in your packet some dice, or a die. I have some dice. You have a die. Remember, you can always roll them and create your own number and just practice adding 1-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers. Could you do that? You can. Just practice and have fun with math this week. Thanks, guys.